can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Unusually large Bitcoin ETF inflows sparks concern of BTC price decline. Large surge in spot Bitcoin ETF inflows have historically been followed by bearish price movement, leading one analyst to warn that price decline could follow. BTC whale accumulation hit 670k all-time highs amid BTC V-shaped bounce. Despite this week BTC price drop, whales continue to add to their balance, and current V-shaped BTC recovery could be a sign of new highs coming. And Standard Chartered sees Bitcoin surges to 125k if Republicans take Congress. Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we will take a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. With the market cap of over $1.34 trillion, Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $68,000 over the last 2 weeks. But the million-dollar question is, can we break to new all-time highs? There's a lot of factors in play here. The US elections are coming. The market looks bullish. We have been ranging for 9 months on. Can we end the year on a very bright note, pumping to new all-time highs? Bitcoin has even gotten to as high as $69,500 over the last few weeks. But if you take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart, the $69,500 level was around the region where we got rejected in July of 2024. And when we got rejected there, guys, we saw a huge decline in the price of Bitcoin. In 7 days, Bitcoin lost around 30% of its value. I don't expect that to repeat itself, but I expect Bitcoin to consolidate below the $70,000 level. They're still grading the cryptocurrency market right now, and surprise, surprise, Bitcoin dominance is getting to a new cycle high. Bitcoin dominance has got to as high as 59.15%. The target is 60% for a lot of market participants. Bitcoin dominance has been rising over the last 2 years. Holding Bitcoin would have been better than holding majority of altcoins. Yes, you might have some altcoins that would have had huge gains over the last 1 year, but Bitcoin in general has performed better than the altcoin market. This is a new cycle high for Bitcoin dominance. Will Bitcoin continue pumping, leaving the altcoin market in the dust? Right now, bears are getting liquidated. The last 24 hours has seen more than $29 million lost by Bitcoin bears betting the price to go in the different direction. But guys, we need to pay very close attention to spot ETF inflows. We have been seeing large inflows over the last 1 week, and history has shown us that when large inflows come, a huge dump in Goblin Town may be around the corner. Bitcoin spot ETFs within the United States have grabbed a significant amount of inflow in recent times, and analysts are concerned that it may lead to a history repeating and Bitcoin price sliding. There have been an unusual large Bitcoin ETF inflow over the last several days, with inflow exceeding $300 million on multiple occasions. Between October 11 and October 21st, Bitcoin spot ETFs saw a 7-day streak of inflow totaling $2.68 billion before clocking an outflow of $79 million on October 2024, on the 22nd of October 2024. The last time there was an unusual large inflow into spot Bitcoin ETF, price dropped 13% around 3 weeks later. On the 4th and the 5th of June, spot Bitcoin ETF saw inflows of around $886 million, $488 million respectively, while Bitcoin traded between $68,000 and $70,000. 20 days later, we saw Bitcoin trading around $60,000. And that's a point of concern for a lot of market participants. Yes, the inflows are always going to be viewed as positive, but guys, if somebody is buying Bitcoin for the inflows, for us to see inflows and the price to go up, some other market participants can easily be selling that might lead us down to Goblin Town. When some market participants push the price to higher values, that's somebody's take profit. So with Bitcoin getting $70,000, that's somebody's target. Somebody has been willing to hold since when we're down in Goblin Town, telling himself when we get to 70,000, we'll see a huge dump to Goblin Town. I think that's a vague explanation of why when we see huge inflows, we eventually see a dip in price in the coming days and the coming weeks. But there's still good news in the ecosystem. Bitcoin whales accumulation hit 670k all-time highs. Despite this week Bitcoin price drop, whales continue to add to their balance sheet, and the current V-shaped recovery could be a sign that new highs are coming. Bitcoin price has swiftly recovered above $67,000, moving by 3% after dropping to a low of $65,200. Bitcoin whales balance indicate optimistic long-term expectation. This accumulation phase could be characterized as a calm before the storm in the medium or long term. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. How bullish are you on the price of Bitcoin? Do you see us rallying above new all-time highs, maybe heading to that $100,000 level? Because Standard Chartered sees Bitcoin surges to $125,000 if Republicans take U.S. Congress. The second Trump presidency will be good for Bitcoin. Are we sure of that? Yes, Trump has supported Bitcoin. Yes, Trump is the crypto president we have been waiting for. But history has shown us over time, we should not expect too much from politicians. We saw Bitcoin rallying during Trump's presidency. Let's not forget, we also saw it rallying during the Biden presidency. Bitcoin doesn't care about politics. Humans care about politics, and they shoehorn their political view into every aspect of their life. So if you're holding Bitcoin, you expect it to go high if Donald Trump wins. But guys, we still have some people holding Bitcoin and supporting Kamala Harris, and I'm sure they're not expecting their bags to dump to Goblin Town. But time will tell us how this will play out. Right now, Bitcoin is up as recovery in the US job market, strong spots Bitcoin ETF inflow, and impressive tech sector earnings data emerge. Remember, guys, this is a very, very important warning. This is the time to sell. There's great new cryptocurrency market right now. History has shown us over time. This is the period you should be planning your exit target. This is the period you should be exiting your position, getting in some cash, getting ready for the nearest future. And all seasons around the corner. All season, more probable once Bitcoin hits $80,000. Hashkey Capital says all season could find a framework route once Bitcoin trades above $80,000. That's implying that Bitcoin is going to get to $80,000 in the coming days and the coming weeks. I'm not that optimistic. I believe Bitcoin's time is done in this cycle. I believe we'll soon see a huge jump to Goblin Town for Bitcoin in the coming days and coming weeks. Bitcoin price aim for $68,000 as US unemployment beats up Fed rate cuts. Bitcoin sales higher on US jobs claims, while BTC price dips to $65,000, swiftly being left behind. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin's market cap sits at $1.3 trillion. Bitcoin dominance has gotten to a new high. Bitcoin has failed to get to as high as $70,000. Is this the end of the road for Bitcoin? Or are we gearing up for another big pump to the upside? Can Bitcoin get to $100,000 before the end of 2024? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long term. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.